everyone, today we will be talking about ethical issue concerning teaching profession. Issues that they will encounter in their journey as a future teacher that they need to know how to deal with it. And these are the following.
Faking medical certificate or MC. This is the improper behavior of students that they lie just to go to that particular school they want, or perhaps they will go abroad. Next would be inappropriate punishment towards students. This is the incorrect discipline of teachers to their students that brings fear, anxiety to every student that lead them not to go to school anymore. Cooperation between colleagues. Lack of cooperation between teacher and bullies between senior teacher and new teacher. Even teacher, they also lack of cooperation in their co-teacher in some project given to their superior. But not only students who bully other students, but also teacher bully and new teachers too. Next, misuse of public facilities provided in schools like Facebook, Twitter, Google, Instagram, and other social media platforms that many people exceed the use of media platforms. Some people posting some scandalous picture or video that are not suitable for the children, and even scam and hacking, they use media platforms to believe in their big lies. Next, choice of teacher. Assigned class is made by headmaster without the teacher's consideration and leads to lack of teaching motivation. But as a co-teacher, you should know what class or subject you are teaching so that you can adjust your schedule, or maybe you can think an effective way to address your students. Also, boost your motivation in doing your passion. These are the improper discipline issues like zero tolerance, no opportunity to listen to both sides, and last, rule of mass media. When you will become a teacher, you should strict but never hurt students. You can only discipline them in a good way with integrity, love, and care. Listen and find some evidence, proofs, or witness on how to resolve the conflict of your students. There are also ways to overcome the issues that a future teacher may apply. In faking medical certificate or MC, the school administrator should only accept the original copy of the medical certificate and imposing fine for those who involved in handling and fake and organizing a fitness program for the teachers. Ways to overcome inappropriate punishment towards students. The punishment must be made by the consideration of two teachers, different punishment for different misbehavior based on guidelines made by the school administrator, and parents' agreement for the teacher punish their children in proper ways.
Cooperation between colleagues. Every teacher needs to practice openness between colleagues. Every work should be divided equally among teachers, and older teachers should put away their ego towards new teachers. Ways to overcome misuse of public facilities provided in school. Provide user record for each school facilities and assign school staff to monitor teachers' activities when using internet. Choice of teacher. Have a discussion with the teacher and have an agreement, and give the teacher the freedom to choose. And lastly, ways to overcome discipline issues. Society should stop pointing their fingers towards the teacher. Mass media should stop manipulate the issue, and parents should play the rules to raise their children. In all the following ways on how to overcome the issues, as a future teacher, we must be good in our fashion and other co-teacher to avoid the unethical behavior of others. In handling the different students, we must be good and show our smile, love, and care to them so that students may feel secure in our side. A teacher are not only a teacher to us, but they also possess as a second parents to us that guide us in a good path of life. Lastly, I will leave you a quote. I call my students my kids because in our year together,
They aren't just kids on my class list. They become a part of my heart. Thank you and God bless you all.